Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's clip, we are going to create something new like a colliding of two objects. In your childhood, you had played car games and bike games more. But in those games, you have noticed that when your game object collides to the other object of the game, then it will be destroyed like a car hitting a house and the car destroys. Similarly, we will create two quads, making one as moving object and the other as a static or non-moving object. Moving to the creation, just have a slight look to the code of C hash. The file name is test, and let's look into the code. As we all know that the first three lines indicates the namespaces and the main code will be written in the public field. As we talk about the code logic, we have three main conditions of collision. One is on collision enter 2D and on collision state 2D, on collision exit 2D. These are the collision conditions or methods that will be handled 2D collision. These methods are automatically called by Unity when specific collision event occurs. When the game object collides with another object that also has the 2D collider, then on collision enter 2D will be called. Same where we can see that a debug.log something collision stay collision exit. This will be shown in the console block of Unity, where which is hidden to us, but Unity will see it. Just look to the creation, how to create a quad and how to deploy it. Go to game objects. In 3D, we have named as quad. Just click on it. We can see that quad has been created. You can change its name as you wish, otherwise you don't need to be changed it. In this, the main step is that you need to delete the mesh collider. After removing this component, you need to add two more components. One is box model 2D and second one is rigid body. Go to add components, search box. You can see that box collider 2D is available. Just click on it. You don't need to make any changes or any set, and you need to add another component as we talked earlier, rigid body 2D. Just import this. We can see that the body is type of a dynamic. Just keep it as dynamic only, don't change it to kinetic or static. But when we talk about kinetic and static, there will be not much changes. You can try it later if you want it. And later you need to create a duplicate of a quad. You can create duplicate by manually or by clicking Ctrl plus D. As you can see, I have clicked Ctrl plus D and created another duplicate of quad. I have two quads at the same position, so I just need to move this quad to the downwards. So just move the second quad to the downwards. After that, you can increase its size or decrease based on your convenience. You can design a model on your view. So I have designed a view of two quads like this. If I just now go to games and I have played, means the object will be comes to down, and this object will be also goes to down because due to the gravity applies in game. So let us apply the script to the quad. Just imagine that where should we apply this test to which quad? Means if a car hits the house should be visible or car should be visible. Which item should be visible first? We need to have a clarity. Means when a car hits a house, car should be destroyed and it should be exit from there. Like that, you need to apply this test script to the quad 2 so that the second quad should be there. And go to here. You can see the script has been applied here. And you need to make ensure that in rigid body it will be a static or kinetic. There will be not much difference in kinetic or static. You can keep anything and then go to game and just click on play. It reloads all the c hash programming and then starts running. As it takes some time, you can see the object has come from the up to the down and it exits when it collides to the other object. We can see it another time if you want. So in this way you can create a collision of two objects. And thanks for watching.